morning, everyone. So we are replacing another part on my 2003 Cadillac Escalade. As you all know, I've replaced a lot of things on this car, from the alternator to the spark plugs, wires, to the fuel pump, to the fuel filter, to actually a few batteries. We went through batteries like crazy because we were having a problem with the alternators. To now, I mean, there's other stuff that I fixed. I mean, this car has had a lot of things replaced. So, I mean, the car is still running really, really well. But when a code comes up, I am definitely on top of it. I like to get things fixed ASAP. Because this is the only car I got, and the last thing I need right now is for her to break down. What we're fixing is the canister purge valve. As you guys see, that's what it looks like. So it is located literally right here on top of the engine. And it's only going to take an 8mm bolt, as you guys see right there. And I'm going to have to unplug that and this. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Compared to everything that we've done already, this is easy. So here's the new part. Okay. And then the old part. Okay, so we gotta remove this white clip.
Yeah.
But I'm sure it's very brittle because it's been on here since forever.
Yeah, that's why the piece broke off in the back.
That's to be expected. Like I said, that's been on here forever. So it's a part that you really don't need on there, but if you have it, you can put it on there, which after we get done with all this, I am going to stop by AutoZone and I'm going to see if they got the clip. If not, then it's not a big deal. So right now, what we're doing is unbolting the bolt, which was very easy. All right. So he just unbolted the bolt, and then now it's just, we got to remove this other clip.
Okay,
we got to remove that one.
This doesn't have a washer.
Okay, so all right, so you definitely want to save this if you got it on yours. There it goes. All right. So, yep, so you definitely got to put it back how you found it. Normally with this is supposed to have a spacer on top, but it didn't have it, so
whoever was in here before us
didn't put one back in, so it's okay.
Voila.
Yep, now just bolt it back down and plug everything back in, and it's going to be good to go. Okay.
Plug this puppy back in.
Nice.
Get the cap off.
And there it goes. So see, like I said, that white clip was supposed to go back on, but since it's broke, I don't think you really need it. Okay, so now I'm going to start the car and see if everything goes good.
I just want to get that plate.
It's on there.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's not going anywhere.
Awesome.
Now we just got to erase the code.
So that is how you fix the canister purge valve for a 2003 Cadillac Escalade. that was an easy fix. I'm glad when things are that easy and they are on top of the engine, not underneath the engine, and you have to remove a whole bunch of crap. That one was actually easy to do. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And we will talk to you guys next time.